What are some of the health benefits of beetroot juice? Beta vulgaris. Beetroot juice contains a lot of antioxidants, electrolytes, vitamins, and other compounds that help to support your body, especially your heart. Number one, this juice helps to lower your blood pressure. Research has shown that beetroot juice can reduce the systolic blood pressure of adults who have hypertension. Beetroot juice contains nitrites, and when it gets to the body, it gets converted to nitric oxide, which helps to widen and then relax your blood vessels, helps with the blood flow. Number two, it gives you stamina for exercise. So those my guys who've been going to the gym, exercising, try doing that with beetroot juice and you see that you have a lot of physical performance. It will help with your cardiorespiratory performances as well. Beetroot would also help with your muscle power, especially with those with heart failure. Also, it helps to maintain a healthy weight because it contains low fat. So if you want to keep up with a very good weight, less fat, take beetroot juice. Also, let's talk about the liver. It helps to remove the fatty deposits in the liver, and this is also very important. You know, when we have a lot of free radicals or unstable molecules in the body, then your risk of getting cancer goes high. Beetroot contains an antioxidant called betalains. That one gives the rich color of the beetroot, and this one helps to mop up some of these free radicals from your body, reducing your risk of getting cancer. Lastly, beetroot juice contains a lot of iron and folic acid. So why don't you enjoy some juice? Thank you.